Hi guys, this is ThisIsTwatWeDo, and this is my bike check on my 2011 Verde Prism. It has Demolition bars that I bought a couple weeks ago because my original bars bent. It's one downside about the stock bars on the Prism. I just got these grips. They are the stolen loot grips. They look pretty nice, they feel pretty nice, but I haven't ridden with them yet. They look like they'll be nice. We'll see. I have Eastern bar ends, had them for a while. I like them, pretty nice. I have a stock stem. I just got hollow stem bolts, Shadow Conspiracy. Just got them today with my grips and new chain. I have a stock headset. Stock fork, stock front wheel. It's pretty nice, nothing wrong with it yet. Stock Verde Prism frame. It's pretty light, it's pretty nice. Don't need to get a new one yet, so it's pretty good. I have a stock PC seat post seat combo. It breaks really easily. It's one downside. See, as you see the crack there, cracks in the back. I don't know. Probably need a new seat soon. Stock bottom bracket, stock cranks, Odyssey, twisted PC pedals, stock back wheel and back hub. Haven't had any problems with that. Stayed pretty straight so far, not really bending at all. And my new chain, got an orange Sputnic whip chain. Looks pretty nice. We'll see. Yep, that's my Verde Prism bike check.